let's talk about a handy little item to have in your toolbox. So whether you're washing a car, boat, caravan, doing some external cleaning, a soap and surfactant inline dispenser. So handy little on-off button. You're able to fill your soaps and surfactants through a fill point. The other side of the applicator or soap dispenser has a water, whether that's tap water or pure water, and then a soap application tap selection. So that'll flow through your soaps and surfactants to carry out that particular cleaning task that you would like to do, and then we can flick back to your straight water source and clean that soaps or surfactant off, whether that's a car, boat, caravan, or any external cleaning surface. Any more information, you can get us at ionexsystems.com.au. Cheers.